Okay, Braylon, let's start with your problem. I want you to go through and tell me how to notate what you did. As I'm notating Braylon's thinking, I want you to be thinking about the I can statement and which math facts is she using to help her understand math. Okay? Go, Braylon.
First, I put the 2 plus 8. It's the same thing I did.
To make a what?
A 10.
Okay.
And then I put the 6 plus 4. To make a 10. Then I put the 10 plus 10 since I know that it makes 20 because I did a doubles. You are smart.
Okay.
And then I put the 20. The 20 with the 1. Then I know that makes 21.
21.
And then that's how I got my answer.
Okay, who can tell me what type of math fact was Braylon using to help her solve the problem? Get ready.
Doubles.
I heard doubles and tens. Who would like to restate in their own words what Braylon did? And you can shorten it a little bit. So get it in your head. Klein, in your own words, go back and tell us, restate what Braylon did.
She made 2 tens and turned it into a 20 and added a 1 to make 21.
Let's all restate what Klein just said. She made 2 tens and put the 1 with the 20. She used those tens facts, right? Okay, good job. Now, keep it right here, and I'm going to change problems. Now, Dylan, and remember, we're looking for 2 things. We're looking to make sure we understand how their brain saw it. But we're also going to start trying to make some connections. Okay? Now, Dylan, you have your problem in front of you. Now, I want you to go back to the very first thing your brain saw when you saw this problem. And if you agree with Dylan along the way, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you disagree, okay? Okay, Dylan, what'd you do first?
I took the 7 plus 3 to make a 10.
Okay, can you stop right there? Lola, I see lots of agreement. How many of you did that? How many of you saw? Lola, what did he use already? A tens fact, okay? Then what did you do, Dylan?
I took the 11 and then I thought it was I thought it was 10 for a second, and then I added the 1.
Wait, go back to what you wrote. What did you write? You said 11 plus
7 plus 3.
So you took the 11 and added it to the what?
10.
To the 10. Now go on with what you were saying.
I thought that if you break it apart and put a 10 and a 1, that makes a 11. So I used it as 10. So I know 10 plus 10 is 20. But I added 1.
Added 1. Oh, sorry. You added 1
with the 10. No, with the 21.
You added. So okay. Let's see. So he said I added the 1, and then he said I added it with the 10 and 21. Who thinks they know what his brain was doing? It's so easy for him. It was hard to explain. Brooklyn, what did he do right here?
Well, he stopped and think for a second and just try to remember how he done it the first time.
So, and what do you think he did? He took the 10 from here and the 10 from here and got 20, but was he finished?
No.
What does he need to do?
Add the 20 with the 1.
Add the 20 with the 1 to get
21.
Now, stop and think. Go back to our I can statement. I can use my math facts, and we listed all the math facts that we were using. what kind of math fact was he using throughout?
Doubles?
You know, do this. Really? I might how many of you agree or disagree? Okay, I saw, okay, Klein, he said doubles, and you disagree. Can you tell us why? Say aye.
I disagree because I believe there's not a single two numbered things in there. But I would say he's doing +1 and +2.
Okay, Taylor went, Lots of Taylor, you disagree? What do you think he was using? Go back. Let's read what he did. He said 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 11. And he went 7 plus 3 makes the 10. Then 11 plus the 10, but he didn't see it that way. What did he do? He
saw 10 plus 1.
10 and a 1 to get 20. Taylor, what was he using all through that? Tens facts. Let's look at all the tens facts he used. What was the first one, Jalen, that he used?
7 plus 3.
He used it here.
And then he used 11 plus 10.
He made his
But
own.
he
broke it into a 10. He made his own 10 fact. He used the power of 10. Now, we're probably running the video long. So I'm going to put this one up.
It's 6 hours.
And let's look at Luke's. Now, what do you think Luke used first?
6 and 6.
You think, Luke, is that what you used? Look at your paper. What did you do first?
I used the 8.
No. What did you do first?
Wait, let me see. I used the 6.
And the
6.
6 and a 6. So, what fact did he use first? He used
12.
Double.
Doubles. Why in the world is Miss Peacock sticking that double up there? Well, keep going, Luke. Then what did you do?
And then I put a 6.
Okay, you used your 6 and your 6 to get 12, right?
And you used your 12. And then I used my 12 and my 8.
Now stop right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, he also used that power of a 10. Turn and talk about what you think he did next. Turn in the video and get the kids.
I can't really share because
Make him tell. Say, please tell me. Go to the restroom and rinse it out. Go to the nurse and let her rinse it out.
Just
Just sit down. No, Kylie, you're with Lola. Thank you. Turn and talk. When you think you know, give me a thumbs up. You can. Make her talk.
it's easy. It's easy. That's an easy one. Because if you do a lot of breaking apart, it's easy.
Make Haley talk to him. He's getting them.
yeah. I'm going all over the place.
One group has it. AJ, do you and Haley have it? Now I may ask you what your friend says.
Make a 20.
Does she have it?
The 12 and the 8 to make a 20.
Okay, back to me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go back to our work. Okay, AJ and Haley, did y'all get through real quick? Okay, AJ, can you tell us, what do you think he did next?
Well, when he was talking, I heard that he added the 6 and 6 to make the 12, and then I heard he said, then he added the 8.
Okay, but then what did he do? What do you think he did? Now look at what we've said. We've said, film up here. The first one we did with Braylon, that was pretty easy. It was straight out tens, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then Dylan, he had a tens fact, but he also used a 10 down here. Now go down to hers right here. AJ and Haley, what do you think he did here? Do you think he went 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19? Did he count up on his fingers? What do
No.
you think he did?
I think he did that. I think he knew that 6 plus 6 is 12.
Uh-huh.
And then he just added 8 to the 12.
How did he AJ?
He did.
Don't you tell them.
He did.
Wait, I know you know. Elena, I think y'all have it in the back.
I think he took the 6 and the 6,
To make the 12.
and then he got the 12 and the 8.
And then what did he do with it?
And then he, after we added it, he to make the 20s.
I know, I know you know your read film. Shaylin, what do you think he did?
Okay, I think he remembered that 8 plus 2 is 10, and he just added a 10 to that.
But I don't see a 2 up there. I don't see a 2 up there. Oh, where's the 2, AJ? Where's the 2?
It's in the 20. The break apart of
Is your name AJ? Is your name AJ? Is your name AJ? Where's the 2?
In the.
Is your name AJ? Where's that 2, AJ? It's in the 12. He broke it to a 10 and a 2. Now, if you see a tens fact up there now, give me a thumbs up.
Me, I can't.
Don't put your thumb up if you don't see it. Whisper the tens fact.
10 plus
No. What's the
12.
plus 2.
What is it?
8 plus 2.
So he took the 8 plus the 2 to make a 10. And then what did you do last, Luke? You had the 8 plus the 2 to make a 10.
And then I put the 10 and the 10 to make it 20. You know the 12
Then you took your 10 plus your 10. Yes?
I need your shoe.